How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let us start our topic factors and multiples. Let's look back. Read the given clues carefully and answer the riddles. Now, riddle 1. I am a multiple of both 3 and 4. A dozen is what I am called for sure. What number am I? I am 12. Now, riddle 2. I am a multiple of number 5. I come after 45 and before 55. What number am I? That is 50. Next, riddle 3. I am a multiple of number 10. I come after 90 and before 110. What number am I? That is 100. Riddle 4. I am the greatest factor of 15. Multiply me by 1 and I will be seen. What number am I? Greatest factor of 15, that is 15. Now, riddle 5. I am a factor of 20 and 30. I am less than 5 but more than 1. What number am I? That is 2. Now, factors. We have already learned that any number which divides a given number without leaving any remainder is called a factor. Now, properties of factors. First, number 1 is a factor of every number and is always the smallest factor. Next, every number is a factor of itself and it is the largest factor of that number. Next, a factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Next, except for 1, all numbers have at least 2 factors which are 1 and the number itself. Next, a given number can have only a limited number of factors. Now, example 1, find and write all the factors of 24. Now, solution. To find the factors of 24, we divide it by different numbers to check if the result is a whole number. If the division leaves no remainder, the number is a factor of 24. Now, 24 divided by 1 is 24, so 1 is a factor. 24 divided by 2 is 12, so 2 is a factor. 24 divided by 3 is 8, so 3 is a factor. 24 divided by 4 is 6, so 4 is a factor. 24 divided by 6 is 4, so 6 is a factor. 24 divided by 8 is 3, so 8 is a factor. 24 divided by 12 is 2, so 12 is a factor. 24 divided by 24 is 1, so 24 is a factor. Alternatively, we can look at the multiplication pairs that gives 24. 1 into 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 6 is 24. Thus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are all the factors of 24. Now, think. Which number has only one factor? That is 1. 1 का सिर्फ एक ही फैक्टर है. Now lock into your brain. All the divisors and quotients that do not leave any remainder on division are the factors of that particular number. Now, multiples. We have already know that a multiple of a number is the result obtained by multiplying that number by consecutive counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, properties of multiples. First, every number is a multiple of 1. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Multiples of a number are always greater than or equal to that number. Next, a number has unlimited multiples. Now, example 1. Find and write the first 5 multiples of 6. Solution. The first 5 multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Thus, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 are the first 5 multiples of 6. Now, think and do. Imagine you are a detective on a secret mission. To crack the code, you need to trace the correct pairs of multiple of 56 with the same color. Find them and unlock the next clue. Now, the correct pairs are 1 and 56. 56 ones are 56, 2 and 28. 28 twos are 56, 14 fours are 56 and 7 8s are 56. तो इन पेयर्स को आप सेम कलर से कलर करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट, लर्न विद फन. The students are in a race to save a city that is divided into factor zones and multiple zones. They need to write all the correct factors and the first 5 multiples of the given numbers to unlock the city gates. Help them do it. Now, factor zone 22. 22 के factors क्या हैं? 1 and 2 and 11 and 22. In the same way, multiple zone, multiples of 3 are 3, 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के नंबर्स के आप फैक्टर जोन में फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे, मल्टीपल जोन में मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो ये क्वेश्चन खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इन टेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 1. Question number 1, find all the factors of the following numbers. Now A is 30. Now 30. 1 multiplied by 30, 2 multiplied by 15 is 30, 3 multiplied by 10 is 30 and 5 6 are 30. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड एंड राइट द फर्स्ट 6 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. नाउ ए पार्ट इज 5. 5 की टेबल करेंगे हम. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. These are the 6 multiples of 5. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is prime and composite numbers. We know that every number has at least 2 factors which are 1 and the number itself. However, some numbers have additional factors also. Let us learn about such numbers. A prime number is a number that has exactly 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. It can only be divided by these two. Examples of prime numbers include 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, etc. A composite number, on the other hand, has more than 2 factors. It can be divided by all of its factors. Examples of composite numbers include 14, 18 and 30, etc. Now, lock into your brain. Numbers 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Number 2 is the smallest prime number and the only even prime. Number 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Now, project time. Create a 10 by 10 grid on a sheet of paper and fill it with numbers from 1 to 100, placing them randomly in the squares. Color the boxes containing prime numbers blue and the boxes with composite numbers pink to form a creative mosaic pattern. Display your finished artwork in the class. तो प्रोजेक्ट आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ट्विन प्राइम्स एंड को प्राइम नंबर्स. 2 prime numbers that have one composite number between them are called twin primes. For example, 11 and 13 are twin primes with the composite number 12 between them. Other examples of twin prime include 29 and 31, 41 and 43. Now, composite numbers. So, 11 and 13 are twin primes and in between them 12 is a composite number. Now, co-prime numbers are 2 numbers that shares no common factor other than 1. These numbers do not have to be prime. For example, 9 and 28 are co-prime because they have no common factor except for 1. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Common factor is only 1. So, these are co-prime numbers. Now, in text exercise 2, question number 1, list the factors for each number, then classify them as prime and composite numbers. Now, A part, 12. 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. More than 2 factors 12 have, so it is a composite number. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट ऑल द प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 and 50. ये क्वेश्चन आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, राइट ऑल द कंपोजिट नंबर्स बिटवीन 50 and 100. अगेन यू हैव टू ट्राई दीज क्वेश्चंस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सर्कल द ट्विन प्राइम्स फ्रॉम द गिवन लिस्ट. ट्विन प्राइम्स are 3 and 5, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31. These are twin prime numbers. Now, question number 5, tick the pairs that are co-prime and cross the one that are not. Now, first is 14 and 15. Yes, it is a co-prime numbers. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. Divisibility rules are tricks we use to determine if one number can be divided evenly by another number without actually doing the division. Let us learn about the divisibility rules of some numbers. Now, divisible by, divisibility test, example and explanation. Now, first is 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. The digit at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 1648. The ones place is 8, that is even, so 1648 is divisible by 2. Now next is 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Example 369. The sum of the digit of 369 is 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18. Since 18 is divisible by 3, so 369 is divisible by 3. Now next is 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits form a number divisible by 4. Example 4712. The last two digits of 4712 are 12 and 12 is divisible by 4, so 4712 is divisible by 4. Next 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its ones place is either 0 or 5. 90275. The ones place is 5, so 90275 is divisible by 5. Now 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. 84. 84 is even, divisible by 2, and the sum of the digit 8 plus 4 is 12 is divisible by 3, so 84 is divisible by 6. Now 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the digit at the ones place and the number formed by the remaining digit is 0, 7 or a multiple of 7. Example is 203. Twice the ones digit is 6, 2 3s are 6, 20 minus 6 is 14. Since 14 is divisible by 7, so 203 is divisible by 7. Now 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. 1896. The last three digits 896 are divisible by 8, so 1896 is divisible by 8. Now next is 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all its digit is divisible by 9. 702. The sum of the digits 7 plus 0 plus 2 is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 9, so 702 is divisible by 9. Now 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place is 0. 430. The ones place is 0, so 430 is divisible by 10. 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digit in odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places is 0 or a multiple of 11. 2728. 7 plus 8 minus 2 plus 2 is 15 minus 4 is 11. Since 11 is divisible by 11, so 2728 is divisible by 11. Now in text exercise 3. Question number 1. Check whether the given numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 or 10. For each number, tick correct if it is divisible and cross if it is not. Now, number A is 24. Yes, divisible by 2. Yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no and no. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is prime factorization. In the previous class, we learned that prime factorization is a method of breaking down a number into its prime factors, which are prime numbers that when multiplied together give the original number. There are two main methods to perform prime factorization: factor tree method and short division method. Let us find the prime factors of 36 using the factor tree method and short division method. Now, factor tree method. 36. 36 को हमने ब्रेक डाउन किया 2 into 18. These are the factors. Again 2 is a prime number, so 18 is further divided into 2 into 9. Again 2 is a prime number, 9 is 3 into 3. Now these are the 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 36. Now short division method, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now lock into your brain. To find the prime factors of the number, we divide the given number by the smallest prime number and continue the division till the quotient obtained is 1. Now in text exercise 4, question number 1. Find the prime factors of the following numbers using the factor tree method. Now A is 26. 26. Now 2 into 13. 2 and 13 both are prime numbers. So factors of और प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 26 इज 2 into 13. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स यूजिंग द शॉर्ट डिवीजन मेथड. फर्स्ट इज 81. लेट अस डू 81. स्टार्ट विथ 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर HCF. The highest common factor HCF of 2 or more numbers is the largest number that divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. We can find HCF of 2 or more numbers using the two given method, the prime factorization method and the long division method. Let us find the HCF of 2 or more numbers by both methods to understand it better. Now example 1. Find the HCF of 12, 48 and 60 by prime factorization method. Now solution. Now prime factors of 12, prime factors of 48 and prime factors of 60. Now factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and factors of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now common factors of 12, 48 and 60 are 2 into 2 into 3. 2, 2 and 3. HCF of 12, 48 and 60. Product of common factors, that is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Thus the HCF of 12, 48 and 60 is 12. Now no more. HCF is also known as GCF, that is greatest common factor of GCD or greatest common divisor. Now example 2. Find the HCF of 84 and 126 by long division method. Solution. Divide the larger number, that is 126, by the smallest number. 126 is divided by 84. So we get 42 as a remainder. Now 126 divided by 84. 1 is the quotient with the remainder of 42. Now divide the previous divisor 84 by the new divisor, that is 42, which is the remainder. Now 84 divided by 42. 42 2s are 84. It is completely divisible. Now you can do it like this. 84 1s are 84, minus kiya 42. Now 84 becomes new dividend and 42 becomes new divisor. Now 42 2s are 84. So 42 is the HCF of the 126 and 84. 84 divided by 42 is 2 quotient with a remainder of 0. Since the remainder is now 0, the divisor at this step 42 is the HCF. Thus, the HCF of 84 and 126 is 42. Now, in text exercise 5, question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Now, A part 18 and 27. Let us find the factors. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now factors of 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 27, 3 into 3 into 3. Now common factors are 3 into 3. So 9 is the HCF. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द HCF ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स बाय लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. ए पार्ट 15 and 90. डिवाइड 90 by 15. 15 6 90 माइनस किया 0. सो 15 इज द HCF. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल LCM. We already know that a multiple which is common between the given numbers is called common multiple. The least common multiple is the smallest number that is common multiple of two or more given numbers. Consider the numbers 8 and 12. Let us find their common multiples and LCM. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48, 72 and 96. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. We can find the LCM of two or more numbers by two methods. First is prime factorization method and common division method. Now example 1. Find the LCM of 14, 49 and 63 using prime factorization method. Now solution, write 14, 49 and 63 as the product of their prime factors. Now 14, 49 and 63. Their prime factors are 14 is 2 into 7. Prime factors of 49 is 7 into 7. Prime factors of 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. 7 is the common factor of 14, 49 and 63. Multiply the common factor and the remaining prime factors to find the LCM. LCM of 14, 49 and 63. 7 is common and the remaining is 2, 7, 3 and 3. And the LCM is 882. Thus, LCM of 14, 49 and 63 using the prime factorization method is 882. Now, example 2. Find the LCM of 10, 50 and 180 using common division method. Solution. Write 10, 50 and 180 side by side and find their LCM by dividing them by common prime factors. Now, start with 2. Then again 2, then 3, 3, 5 and 5. Now, multiply all the prime factors. Thus, LCM of 10, 50 and 180 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, that is 900. Now, properties of HCF and LCM. First, the HCF of a set of numbers is never greater than any of the given numbers. Example, the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6, which is smaller than both 12 and 18. The HCF of two co-prime numbers is always 1. Example, the HCF of 9 and 14 is 1 because they share no common factor other than 1. Now, third is the LCM of a set of numbers is never less than any of the given numbers. Example, the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20, which is greater than or larger than both 4 and 5. Now, next, the LCM of two co-prime numbers is equal to their product. Example, the LCM of 7 and 9 is 63, which is the result of multiplying 7 and 9. Next, the product of two given numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Example, consider the numbers 12 and 18. HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Product of the given numbers 12 multiplied by 18 is 216. Product of HCF and LCM of the given number is 6 multiplied by 36 is equals to 216. This shows that the product of the numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Now, in text exercise 6, question number 1, find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Now, A part 18 and 24. Now, prime factors of 18 is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So, 2 into 3 into 3 and 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now common factors are 2 and 3. So LCM is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by common division method. Now A part 35 and 50. Start with 2. 35 as it is. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now both are divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. 5 7 and 1, 7 and 1. So LCM of 35 and 50 is 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 50 7s are 350. 350 is the LCM. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ए पार्ट. रिया एंड मीना आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन अ रनिंग रेस अराउंड अ सर्कुलर ट्रैक. Riya completes 1 lap in 12 minutes while Meena completes 1 lap in 16 minutes. If both of them start at the same time, after how many minutes will they meet at the starting point again? So we have to find the LCM of 12 and 16. Now find the LCM of 12 and 16. 12 and 16. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now 3 1s are 3 and 4. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 4 is again divided by 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 2 2s are 4. 12 4s are 48 minutes. So answer is 48 minutes. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स पुट इट टुगेदर. फर्स्ट, अ फैक्टर इज अ नंबर that divides another number exactly without leaving any remainder. Every number has a limited set of factors. Next, a multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it by consecutive whole numbers. There are an infinite number of multiples for any given number. Next, divisibility rules help determine if one number divides another exactly without actually performing the division. Next, prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, while composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Next, twin primes are pairs of prime numbers separated by a composite number. Next, co-prime numbers are two numbers that shares no common factor other than 1. Next, prime factorization is a method of breaking down a number into its prime factors using either factor tree or short division method. Next, highest common factor. HCF is the largest number that divides two or more numbers without a remainder. Next, least common multiple. LCM is the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.